Friends, hope you are fine. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the container, the basic features of container. Now container is used for the layout of the app. By using the container we can padding the child widgets and we can margin the layouts. So in this video we will discuss the basics of the container, and in the forward next when we build the application we will discuss in advance and what is feature. So let's start from the beginning. In body section we use the container. uh, Now delete this code from here. Also the label, remove the label. Okay. uh, Now inside we inside the container we are going to use the padding and margin. Now first you should know what is padding and what is margin. Padding is inside spacing inside the widget, inside the button or inside the label, whatever you will use, inside space, and margin is outside space of the widget. So use the padding uh, padding edge instant geometry. We will use edge sets from TRB, LTRB, from left, top, right, and bottom. What will be the space from left, from top, and from right and bottom? So from left we will use the 15.0. From top we will use the 20.0, and from the right we can use the 30.0, and from bottom uh, 40 point, let's say 40.0. Okay. uh, Now what will the color of the widget? uh, so sorry, the color of container. Let color the widget, this widget, colors dot red. Okay. The container color is red. Let's save this code and run the code. Now you can see the red color in the app. Let's change the color from red to where is our body. Okay, let's change the color dot blue. Okay, black. Let's run the app again. Hot, restart it. Now you can see the black color. Change it to gray. Change it to, okay, blue gray. Okay, now move forward, and we will use the padding property. We also use the margin. First let's use the margin property. Now margin property is outside spacing of the widget. Margin, uh, sorry, algin insets. Okay, dot all a value. You have to specify the value. Let's say 50.0. Okay, now save it and run the app. You can see the widget uh, spacing outside the widget. Now let's create a child. Create a child. Uh, Remember, this is the child of container, not the whole body. Uh, it will contain everything we define in the child branch. It will display in the container section, not outside of the container. Okay, let's try it. Uh, Use this text or label or any button you can use here. Let's try in the single quotation. Okay, data. Let's run the app and see the output. You can see the data. The button is minimized. You can say the it become smaller because the size and the margin of the container. Now, these were the basic functionalities of the container, basic features of the container. In future videos, we will see more containers used in the Flutter. Hope you are enjoying my tutorials. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.